everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a different type of video. It's not going to be me, it's just going to be my hands. So as you can tell by the title, it's my slime collection. I am going to remake this because I was bored today and kind of tired, so I just decided to do a little lazy video. So before we get on with the video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah. So the first one is a blue butter slime. Well, it was a blue butter slime, but it got tough because I accidentally left it out. And now it's just a tough mini slime with a few gems in it. So the next one is this purple slime. It's a little bit glossy, but it has all of these gems, and it kind of makes the slime tough. So this one is a white glossy slime, and when I opened it, it looked really glossy and pretty, but when I poked it, it was like pretty melted, probably because it's been really hot in San Diego and almost a lot of my slimes melted, so I had to reactivate them before the video. I didn't activate this one because I thought it was fine. But yeah, so I had to get my bottle of borax and add a little bit of borax. So I added a little bit of borax, and that pretty glossy slime turned into a hard slime. I don't know how or why, but it did. And that was literally my favorite slime. This one was a yellow fluffy slime, but it got tough. I don't know how or why, but my slimes obviously don't like me. This one is a purple thick slime with a few little beads at the bottom. So this one is a pumpkin slime, and to be honest, I don't really like it because it might have a few good pokes, but I don't like the texture or the color. So this one is a pink slime, and it's actually pretty huge. It has like really thick pokes, and it's super duper glossy. This is like a really nice slime. So this one is supposed to be a chocolate milkshake slime, and it's kind of like the other one except not so thick. It was a butter slime plus a fluffy slime, so it's kind of weird but cool. And I forgot to take it out. Dang it. This one is I do not know how to say it. Okay, goodbye. Finally, the last one.
How could you move it like you crazy? I ain't call you back, dog. Leave me alone.